Great view on Elsto, Atlantis.
I love it when a plan comes together.
Amen.
The door's in the process of swinging open. The starboard door, as you can see, is already open. The port door to follow. You're looking right down at the front end of the Raffaello multipurpose logistics module, carrying some 8,000 pounds of logistics supplies to fortify the International Space Station for the next year. On the far right, nestled against the payload bay door, is the shuttle's robotic arm that will be unfurled and tested within the next few hours by Commander Chris Ferguson and pilot Doug Hurley in advance of its grappling of the orbiter boom sensor system for the initial inspection of the shuttle's thermal protection system tomorrow. Now the port door begins to swing open. In this split screen image on the left is the shuttle's KU band communications antenna, which also will be deployed a short time from now. And the mechanical systems officer reports the payload bay doors have been opened for the final time on Atlantis. Here in the flight control room, Flight Director Richard Jones now polling his team to get a go for on-orbit operations.
Atlantis, we just polled the room, and you are go for orbit ops.
Go for orbit ops. Great news, Houston. Thanks.
So with that, the crew will begin the process of doffing their launch and entry suits, and we'll press ahead now for the deployment of the KU band communications antenna and the setup of the laptop computers on board the orbiter. Also on tap, the activation of the star trackers, the stowage of the escape pole, and other items that will clear the path for the rest of the day's activities that will culminate in the crew going to sleep around 7 p.m. Central Time tonight.